Hello students, a very good evening. I am Mrs. Surpali. Welcomes you all for today's online session. First of all, tell me, how are you all? I hope so. You all are fit and fine. So, stay home and be safe. So, we move to a topic. So, today we are going to discuss a few subtopics from our GK, that is General Knowledge textbook. So this is our General Knowledge textbook, a new General Knowledge today 5th. So from this textbook we are going to discuss a few topics with question and answer. So let's start then. So our topic is world of animal and plants. So in this topic there are two subtopics, that are the first one is the plant quiz and the second one is the animal quiz. In plant quiz you can see the questions related to the plants, and in the animals quiz you can see the questions related to the animals. Some pictures there you can see in your textbook, and the questions related to that they are asked, like the group of animals. What is it called? The group of animals. Okay, so let's start then our first subtopic, the plant quiz. So see here, in the plant quiz two main questions are there. Question number A is fill in the blanks, and question number B, tick the correct answer. So we will start with our first question, fill in the blanks. Question number A, fill in the blanks. So all of you open your textbook. So the first question is, I'll read the first question. The first question is, the part of plant growing beneath the soil is called, the part of plant which growing beneath the soil is called root. What it called? Root. So the first answer is root. Now the second question, part of the plant that grows above the soil and supports it is called, the part of the plant that grows above the soil and supports it is called stem. What it's called? Stem. Then the third question is, green pigment which found in plants. The green pigment which found in plants is called chlorophyll. What it called? Chlorophyll. Now we'll move to the next question. A very young plant growing from a seed is called, a very young plant growing from a seed is called seedling. What it called? Seedling. Now we'll move to the last question. A very young tree is called a very young tree is called a sapling. So what it called? Sapling. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number B. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Now here you'll get the question with the options. The question, you can see there 4 options are given. So among them you have to select, you have to choose the correct one. So let's see now what is the first question. The first question is, which of the following plants which one floats on the surface of water? Of the following plants which one floats on the surface of water. So the answer is Lotus. The correct answer is lotus. So take the answer. Now, the second question. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis take place? In which of the part of the plant does photosynthesis take place? So the correct answer is leaves. The correct answer is leaves. Now we'll move to the third question. From which part of a plant is turmeric obtained? From which part of a plant is turmeric obtained? The correct answer is stem. The correct answer is D, that is stem. Now we'll move to the fourth one. Which is the most common plant that grows in all types of soil? Which is the most common plant that grows in all types of soil? So that is, which plant is that? The correct one is grass. The correct one is grass. Now we will move to the fifth question. We'll move to the fifth question. The fifth question is, which flower is a symbol of purity? Which flower is a symbol of purity? The correct answer is C, that is lily. Lily flower is the symbol of purity. Okay, now here the plant quiz is over. Now we will move to the second subtopic from this, that is the animal quiz. Now here you can see the pictures of different animals and the questions are related to them. Now let's see the first question. Like here it is given that a group of sheep is called a flock. A group of sheep is called a flock. A group of cattle is called a herd. A group of cattle is called a herd. So now we have to write the answers of the given questions. Now some animals names are given there. So we have to tell the groups of that animals what it called. Okay. So we will start the first one. Now down you can see there the help box. Okay, the answers are given there. That is our help box. So we have to find the correct answers from this. Okay, with the help of this help box, we have to find out the correct answers. So let's start the first one. The first one is deer. A group of deer is called, the correct answer is a herd. Okay, a group of deer is called a herd. Now, the second one, flies, ants and bees. Okay, so here the group of flies, the group of ants and the group of bees is called swarm. What is called? It is called swarm. So the correct answer, write down swarm. Now the third one, hounds and wolves. The group of hounds or the group of wolves is called pack. What it called? Pack. Now move to the next. Monkeys. A group of monkeys is called troop. A group of monkeys is called troop. Now move to the next. Puppies. Do you know the puppies? All of you like puppies, na? Okay. So the group of puppies is called litter. A group of puppies is called litter. Now the next one, peacocks. F. Peacocks and the crows. So the group of peacocks and crows are called master. A group of peacocks and the group of crows is called master. Then the next one, whales. Do you know the whales? Very good. The group of whales is called school. A group of whales is called school. Then the next question, geese. The next question, geese. The group of geese is called caggle. The group of geese is called caggle. Now we'll move to the next, that is I, foxes. The group of foxes is called skulk. The group of foxes is called skulk. And the last one is eagles. Now, the group of eagles, it calls a conjugation. The group of eagles is called the conjugation. Understood, students? Okay. Now here we'll move to the next question. Now here match. Okay, students. Now we will see the second question from the animal quiz. Now the second question, you can see here some animals picture. So here our second question is, match the pictures of animals to the traits these animals have. Now the first one is the reptile without legs. The reptile without legs. So that animal is snake. So the correct answer is option D, snake. Now the second, the animal who hops and lives in water. Okay, so that animal is who can hops and lives in water. It is frog. So the correct answer is C, frog. Now the third one, reptile that lives in water. A reptile that lives in water. So the correct option is B, turtle. A turtle. Now the next one, fourth, that is animal with long neck. You know that animal who have a long neck. Who is that animal? Very good, correct. That animal is giraffe. Option A, giraffe. Now the last one, an animal who runs at about 72 km per hour. Okay, so who is that animal who runs about 72 km per hour? So that animal is cheetah. Who is that animal? Cheetah, who runs very fastly. So here second question is over. Now we will move to the next question. Page number 10. Now on page number 10, you can see there total 14 questions, from question number 3 to question number 14. So one by one we will see the question, we will discuss this question with answer. So here in question number 3, some options are given. Okay, so we have to select the correct option. So let's see the question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is, what is the young one of fox is called? What is the young one of fox is called? The young one of fox is called cub. A correct answer is C, that is cub. Now the fourth question, again in fourth question we'll get a 4 option and we have to select the correct one. Now the fourth question is, how long does a bear cub remain blind after birth? How long does a bear cub remain blind after birth. So the correct answer is 1 month. That is B, 1 month. Now we'll move to the question number 5. What is the young one of a hare called? What is the young one of a hare is called? So the young one of a hare is called leveret. What it called? Leveret. Now we'll move to the next question. So the next question is question number 6. Which country do koala bear came from? Which country do koala bears came from? The koala bears came from the country Australia. The koala bears came from the Australia. So the correct answer is Australia. Now the question number 7. What does a deer shed and grow everywhere, every year? What does a deer shed and grow every year? The correct answer is antlers. Antlers. Now, next question. Question number 8. Which animal in a group sleeps in the center with both eyes shut while those on the periphery sleep with one eye open? Which animal in a group sleeps in the center with both eyes shut while those on the periphery sleeps with one eye open? So that animal is ducks. That animal is ducks. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 9. Which is the only mammal that cannot jump? Which is the only mammal that cannot jump? That you know? Who is that animal that can't jump? That is elephant. Now, the next question. Which large mammal's heart beats only 9 times a minute? Which large mammal's heart beats only 9 times a minute? That is blue whale. The correct answer is blue whale. Now the next question, question number 11. Which animal has 6 stomachs? Which animal has 6 stomachs? Which is that animal who have a 6 stomach? That animal is reindeer. That animal is reindeer, which have 6 stomachs. Now the next question, question number 12. Which is the only mammal to have hair on its feet soles? Which is the only mammal to have hair on its feet soles? That animal is polar bear. Who is that animal? Polar bear. This animal have the hair on its feet soles. Now, the question number 13. Silkworms are fed on. Silkworms are fed on. The correct answer is mulberry leaves. The correct answer is mulberry leaves. Mulberry leaves. Now we'll move to the last question. Question number 14. Which among the following are known for cooperation and division of labor? Which among the following are known for cooperation and division of labor? So the correct answer is C. Ants. Ants are well known for their cooperation and division of labor. So understood, students? So here our animals quiz is over. Keep watching. Thank you.